You don't need a perfectly organized home, you just need the right kind of hidden organization so that your space looks clean even when it's actually a little messy underneath.
Today I am introducing to you all smart everyday systems that keep the home looking tidy with everyday essentials and home and kitchen items with zero daily effort. So let's begin. Did you know you can actually create more storage space, or rather invisible storage space, even in an open area like this, which is meant for just decorative pieces? Let me show you just how.
Honestly, it's way easier to hide everyday clutter than to try and organize it, especially those odd-shaped things or items that don't really have a home yet. Baskets with lids like these are perfect. You can tuck them into any decorative shelf and they'll hide just about anything. I've got some candle holders stashed in one of the baskets and I'm planning to pop a few tea lights into the smaller ones. What I love is that I usually need these kind of things right in this part of the house, so they're easy to grab when I need them. And bonus, they double up as decor too. But don't stop at the living room. This little trick works wonders in the kitchen too. Like today, I'm using a small basket to store some ginger that I often need handy on the countertop itself. Keeping it here tucks it away neatly and keeps it accessible, so it's a win-win. Maybe you're like me and you find organizing wires, cords and all those random electrical bits very frustrating. And honestly, when something feels that hard to organize, I just pick one spot to dump it all and I stick with that. But the trick is to use something with a lid, like a box or a basket, so it still looks neat.
So now I have another trick for you, and in this particular method you really don't have to do anything but just rearrange what you already have. What I mean is that if you put similar containers together, you can actually reduce the visual noise by 60%, and I'm going to show you that just now.
Today I'm organizing this little corner next to the air fryer, and since I just mentioned how tidy things can look when you group similar jars together, I'm doing exactly that here. I'm pulling out the extras and then placing the larger white jars in a row and the smaller blue ones right in front. You can also sort them by category. Simple changes, but they make everything feel so much more put together. All of the organizing supplies that are used for different corners of the home can easily be found at the Big Basket app, where everything gets delivered in under 10 minutes. I'm carrying this same idea into the kitchen too, using 2 matching oil bottles to store different types of oils. There's just something about that symmetry that brings a calm, structured feel to the space. Here's a quick fix. Just decant those items into similar looking jars or bottles and group them together. You'll be amazed, your fridge will suddenly look like one of those picture perfect ones from Pinterest. And yes, even the most chaotic items can be brought together beautifully in one single tray. Want to take it up a notch? Use something that also makes things more accessible, like a turntable or Lazy Susan. These are perfect for corralling all those odd-shaped essentials in one place. Today I am placing one on the dining table and loading it up with the things we reach for daily, like ketchup, salt, pepper, different kinds of pickles and more. But I've got a fun, slightly different idea for you. Use it in your bathroom or vanity area. I mean, guilty as charged, we all love displaying our pretty perfumes, skincare items and makeup essentials. But let's be real, those things can quickly turn your countertop or dressing table into a total mess. And since we use them regularly, tucking them away in a cabinet is also not practical. That's where the Lazy Susan comes in. It keeps everything within reach and still looking beautifully organized. It's one of those little upgrades that makes your daily routine feel just a bit more luxe.
Most of the times, people living in rented apartments just like me think that we don't have enough drawer space and we end up dumping everything inside it. But in reality, the drawer is not the problem, it's the lack of microstructure in it, and I'm going to show you just how to fix that.
I have this drawer and it's not like there's lack of space here, it's actually pretty spacious. But the problem, the plates and the bowls inside keep sliding around and the lids are constantly falling over. It ends up looking messy no matter how often I fix it.
So let's empty this drawer and see how we can rearrange the same things.
First things first, I take everything out and give it a good deep clean. Then, to stop things from sliding all over the place, I pop in a drawer divider along one side. This gives some much needed structure and support to things like trays and plates. Now for those lids that are always tumbling around, I use a small basket or bin to corral them into one neat corner. That frees up so much more space for other items. I actually managed to fit a lot more glass containers into the same drawer, same space, but way more stuff, all tucked in nicely and organized. Similarly, in order to add some structure to this bedside table that holds so many random things, I'm going to be using a clear tray-like thing so that all things don't slide around each time I open or close the drawer. That way they stay tucked in one corner and I can neatly arrange the books etc. in the remaining space. Rearranging is what gives this drawer the much needed glow up. Let's be honest, cleaning the whole house in under 15 minutes is not easy. So, I've created these little dumping zones around the house. Like throws, cushions, sweaters, everything goes straight into this large basket that I keep in the living room. It blends right in and no one would ever guess there was a pile of stuff there just moments ago. Same idea in the kitchen, there's this dark corner where I've placed a tray. It quietly handles all the extra bottles, phone holders, random bits and bobs I don't want on the countertop when the guests are coming. I usually hide that tray right behind the water filter. And trust me, you probably have corners like that in your home too, you just gotta spot them.
So those were some of the tricks that I use around my home to create invisible or hidden kind of an organization system. Now let's move on to the giveaway question that you all have been waiting for. Name the 2 spots at which I used Lazy Susans today. Write your answer in the comment section and don't forget to like and subscribe to the Big Basket YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and see you all next time.